Hi there, my name is Deb Wallwork and we're going to be playing some tunes for you from the Appalachian tradition. I began playing fiddle, 20, 30 years ago, and I was drawn in by these particular kinds of tunes, this tradition, which has a quirky, eerie quality that is unmistakable. And it does come, the Appalachian Mountains were settled by people from the British Isles, and my great-great-grandfather emigrated to West Virginia, and that's one of the places where this music comes from. So I met my husband, John Heine, playing this music, and we have gone on to play together in a band called the Red Herring String Band. But what we want to play for you today is a tune called Lady of the Lake.
The lady in the lake rose out of the waters of the lake and presented Excalibur to King Arthur. So she's a powerful water spirit in ancient Anglo-Celtic lore.
Now we're going to play a waltz called the Black Hills Waltz. John's going to get a different banjo. Here he comes. He's got another banjo. So this waltz is called the Black Hills Waltz, and we're playing this one to, it's more of a Midwestern tune, and there's a little Scandinavian influence in it, which I think you'll hear. So I was fortunate to learn tunes from a man named Don Rittenhouse. He was an old farmer who lived in Kent, and he was a wonderful mandolin player, and he played the banjo and guitar, and he loved these Appalachian tunes.